Hey guys, we are going to start up learning Python programming, and in this course we'll be using a regular book by Eric, that's Python Crash Course, and this course will be a multi-part series course. So I will wish you turn on subscribe and turn on your notification button for subsequent videos so that you can get notified. So in this course we'll be starting from the Python basic down to the advanced concepts and alongside work on few projects. So for a start, we'll be working on installation of Python and our coding environment. And the coding environment we'll be using will be VS Code, that's Visual Studio Code by Microsoft, and we'll be making use of our Windows environment as well. So before we can start writing our code, there are few things we'll be doing. One, we'll be installing Python, and two, we'll be installing the VS Code, that's our coding environment. But before then, in this course, here is a brief overview of the aspects we'll be touching, the content of this course, and among these projects, we'll be working on one of these projects at the end of the course. But here we have an overview of it. So back to the installation of Python, you head over to python.org. You can just type in Python and you are good to go. You come over to downloads. So when you come over to the download section, you can download any version for Windows. You click on this window, or if you are using Linux, Mac OS, or iOS, you can download any version. But I already have Python installed, so I won't be doing that. So I'll be walking you through how to install the Python. So while installing your Python, you click on this add to path. We usually add Python to path environment variable so the operating system can find and run the Python interpreter from any directory using the command line or terminal, so that Python can run it through the terminal or command line. That's why we do install Python. So click on install now. But I already have Python installed already, so I'll be cancelling this. I'll be cancelling that. Yes. So secondly, back to installation of our coding environment, VS Code. Once you click on VS, you type in VS Code, you visit the website. So this is the VS Visual Studio Code website by Microsoft. You click on download for Windows. There are also other versions you can download for MacBook, for Mac OS, Linux. So I already have it downloaded. I will cancel it. Then head over to my download to install. So I have VS Code. Click on Asset, Next. So you select all these. Then you click on Next. While you click on Install, I will cancel it because I already have it installed already. I won't be doing that. So I will be cancelling it. Yes. While I head over to my VS Code. So while on VS Code, you create a new folder. That's the working folder. Let me create a new folder. Okay. I will name it test mode. Then I select the folder. So after the selection of the folder, then I can create the file where I want to write my Python code inside. So let me name it test.py. Then now, before we start writing a test Python code, first of all, you come over to extension. They are used to extend. The reason for extension is to increase the capability of the VS Code environment. So we'll be installing Python extension on VS Code. The reason why we'll be doing that is to create a Python environment. We need a Python environment on our VS Code that will serve as a virtual environment on our VS Code, because without this, our Python code won't be able to run. So once you click on Python, but I already have it installed. Let me show you. I already have Python installed, so this is it. You install it, I already have it installed, then you come back and continue writing code. So the test code will be writing is a simple calculation. A is equals to 5, B is equals to 7, then you print. So A plus B, then you open a terminal, but then you make sure you save your code, because if you don't do that, it won't run at your terminal. The code will not run at the terminal. So now let's check it out. So now we have our result 12. We have 12. So that's all about the installation of Python and VS Code. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this series continues, and whenever a new video is being dropped, you will get notification of it once you have your subscribe button on, and once you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thank you. See you in the next series.